Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so that reading may give you clarity, answer some questions you may have in your circumstances, so you can watch that reading, Taurus. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have the Hierophant in reverse, the Moon and Seven of Stars. So in your circumstances today, Taurus, in your career situation maybe, or it may be in your relationship, you lack clarity today. You are a lot confused about something, and maybe you stand by the choices you make, or you are determined not to listen to anyone. So there are people telling you certain things, certain ideas maybe suggesting you, but you don't want to listen to anyone because you feel that you will be able to do things the way you are doing. You are the only one who's skilled and talented. So that may be the reason for some troubles. Certain things may not work well for you because you see your situation the way you perceive. You do not see the complete picture. If you listen to someone, you will know what is their perception, and maybe you will gain some knowledge by the way they see your circumstance, Taurus. So it may be true about your career or about your relationship. So there are certain things you are quite confused about. So if you want clarity, you must listen to people who are close to you, who are concerned about your welfare, truthfully concerned about your welfare. Because in your circumstances today, there are a lot of things that are not clear for you. Maybe the way situation is going, you don't know what this person is thinking or feeling, what are their intentions. Maybe sometimes you have a good relationship with them, harmonious one, you feel so happy, but sometimes you may feel a lot stressed, anxious. You don't know what they will speak or what they will do. So you are a lot confused, and maybe your friend or a family member wants to tell you something important, because your circumstances are very a lot of uncertainty riding in your situation. So you need clarity, Taurus. If you are making some important decisions, this may not be the right time. But I also see that there is some kind of a relief coming today. So it may be that you have you have an understanding with this person. Maybe situation is clearing up, whatever doubts you both had on each other and whatever confusions you had, all that is clearing up, and situation is definitely changing for you. because with this card, the Seven of Stars, it's a very positive card here. So for your relationship, you are going to see clarity very soon, Taurus. So for your relationship, one more card, Death. So there are some changes, transformation, and this is a beautiful transformation happening. Something that is going to bring something very good. It is something like a renewal. So your love is renewing, your love is this connection is taking a rebirth with this understanding that is flowering in this relationship. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, Taurus. It's Two of Moons. So there is some kind of a partnership or a collaboration coming to you in your work circumstances. You are going to feel so happy, cheerful about this circumstance, because it is increasing your success. It is increasing your potential for success. So that is the energy here with these cards for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. So this is the first card and this is your second card. You can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, I will keep the second card aside. We will see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, it is the Poisoned Apple, Jealousy. So it means that in your circumstances, you are the target of jealousy. There are people against you, people who are very much jealous of you, and their intentions are not good. Maybe they are trying to tempt you with some offers in your life, tempting you into some difficult circumstance. And maybe these offers may look like something beautiful, something amazing. But if you fall for your temptation, you are going to face many difficulties. But even if you have fallen for some temptation today, you need not fear these circumstances. Because this experience is going to help you. It is going to give you more knowledge. It is going to give you wisdom. And the pain you will go through today in this situation because you have fallen for this temptation is going to lead you into a beautiful journey where you are going to grow emotionally, you are going to grow spiritually, and you will be able to see your circumstances with more clarity, with more knowledge. So you need not feel sad or stressed though you are fallen for this temptation, or you have fallen for this temptation. And you will succeed. You will come out much better person tomorrow, much better person in your life. But you need to believe in yourself. And maybe present circumstances are not good, but still you are going to see beautiful changes very soon, starting from now. So that is the energy here with this card. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have Seriphos green quartz. This is a very beautiful and a rare quartz, guys, and with this quartz the energy is that maybe you are pushing yourself to achieve something, pushing yourself to see some changes in your life, but today you are left with no desire to march on towards your expectations, but ready to accept what is coming towards you in your life, what is coming towards you in your circumstances. So this moment should be experienced just as it is, because this moment is going to bring clarity in your relationship. So being honest with certain things you can change, and certain things where you are powerless to change, you need to accept it as it is. When you do that, it is a big step taking you towards what you desire and what you deserve. So be present. If you are feeling sad, let it be. Experience that pain, go through all that, whatever comes in your life, because you are in for something bigger. Some bigger picture is unfolding in your life, and this picture is something you never imagined and you can never imagine. So universe is coming with a blessing towards you. Maybe you are going through a lot of pain today, but this situation is absolutely necessary for what is coming in your life in your future. So that is the energy here. So there is no need or no use to change your present circumstance. So that is the energy here with this card for y'all today. That is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.